The crypto market is starting to break out. We are actually starting to see a lot of green. But is this going to be a dead cat bounce? Is this going to be a fake out? Should you be buying before this thing takes off? Or should we be taking profits getting ready for another crash? In this video, we are going to be talking about this and much more. So make sure you stay tuned because you cannot miss a single part of this video. What's up, Miles? It's Guys here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. And if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and smash up the like button like you've never smashed it before. And if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, go ahead and join my Patreon. The link is in my video description, where we have Discords, we have Telegram groups. You can speak to me on the phone. We can go over your current portfolio. You can message me every day. And we put out trade alerts for cryptos and new cryptos that just 78x'd literally 2 days ago. And if you want to learn technical analysis, if you want to become your own boss by being a crypto trader, go ahead and watch my all-inclusive crypto trading course. You can watch it on milesginvestments.teachable.com. All of these links that I am mentioning will be in my video description. Also, do not forget to get your 2 free stocks worth up to $3,500. All you have to do is create an account with my WEBULL link below. Deposit 1 penny. Make sure you also follow all of my socials and all of the links that I have below. Definitely check them out because they could make or break you lots of money in crypto. So if we go ahead and take a look at the charts, if we take a look at what's happening in the crypto market, we have cryptos starting to make some really big moves. We had Dogecoin, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Shiba Inu. They are starting to break out and look very bullish, which is a wonderful sign to see because of how bearish, because of how red the market has been. And if we take a look at CoinMarketCap, we can actually see green all across the board. And this is a very exciting thing. Some cryptocurrencies like Avalanche are up huge. Look, 20% in the last 7 days. Crypto.com up 30%. FTX token. Some cryptos are looking really good and they're recovering very fast. So you need to be diversified properly if you want to catch these gains. But in this video, we're going to be diving into what is happening, where are we headed. So make sure you continue because here we have. So we've been hearing the last couple of days that there has been a lot of FUD concerning crypto regulation, the president, and people trying to attack crypto laws. There's been a lot of fear out there. There's been a lot of FUD, and that is what has been pushing the crypto market down. But if we go ahead and take a look at this article, what we're actually seeing is that there's congressmen that are stepping up on our side. There's congressmen that receive crypto, that hold Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. And this is one of them. And he is standing up for crypto regulation. He is standing up for our needs. Now, there is some rumors and FUDs coming around that President Biden is going to be doing some executive order in the month of February, which could be potentially attacking cryptocurrencies. But what that executive order is absolutely going to do is just they're going to be opening up an investigation. They're going to be looking into cryptos. They're going to be taking a deep dive to a degree, most likely on the surface level, to see what needs to be done for cryptocurrencies and their relation to financial institutions in this country. So the worst possibility is probably a non-event, something that's not going to really do anything for cryptos, at least in the immediate short term. And even worst case scenario, that bill is probably not even going to do anything at all, period. So we have a lot of fear and FUD out there that are trying to inhibit you and prevent you from buying cryptocurrencies. And cryptocurrencies, as we are seeing on the charts, they are recovering. They are starting to look very green, but that does not mean that cryptos can go lower, that cryptos will crash again. No, it doesn't mean that, because if cryptos crash or if they go lower, that's only relevant to a very short period of time. Because let's just say cryptos crash right now. If they crash and go down really low, they're going to bounce up really fast, and in 2 weeks or maybe less, or maybe just days after, they're going to go back up to the same levels that we are at now. So the short-term volatility, if you hold on, doesn't really do anything unless you are a trader where you can capitalize like we do in the Patreon on some of these short-term trades. But let me show you something that actually helps us to understand that what is actually happening behind the scenes. So there's a lot of data that I show you on this channel that not a lot of YouTubers know about, and that not a lot of crypto people talk about. And this data and information is actually called the negative funding rates for cryptocurrencies. And funding rates are actually relevant to people leveraging and derivatives tradings, people using derivatives for cryptocurrency tradings. And that basically means when people are going long or short. And these funding rates are relevant to let us know that how much people are going long, how much people are going short. All of that information is pertinent to funding rates, perpetual futures in addition to futures and options. And derivatives is basically people going long and short. So a lot of times when the funding rate is negative, when it is down, as we are seeing right to these very, very low levels, what we actually see as signified on the top with the red, we actually see recoveries, we see strong bounces in crypto markets, and we have been in a very strong negative funding rate area for quite some time, especially this month in the month of January. And that generally signals a foreshadow or a precursor to a big reversal, a big move in the crypto market. In every cryptocurrency bull run, every correction, there's always a lot of FUD like we are experiencing now. There's always a lot of fear where people are about to give up, where they're selling everything, when they're running to the hills and hiding. And it's at those times that people make the most money, that actually ape in and buy in, because we know that Warren Buffett always tells us, which is very applicable to any type of investing, especially cryptos and the stock market. But whenever people are the most fearful, that is when the most successful traders and investors are the most greedy. The most successful traders, these big whales and institutions, they are not the most greedy when other people are hyping it up, when the retail investors are hyping it up. No, they become very, very fearful because they know that hype is very short-lived. When hype reaches a particular level and is very high, that generally signifies the top of a market, whereas certain things are signaling and signifying for us the bottoms of the market. And generally the bottoms of each market, the lows that we see, the lowest points that we see are fear, negative funding rates in addition to that. So if we continue to move forward into technical analysis, which you should continue watching because I have some incredible information, you will understand even more clearly. So what we do is we take a look at Bitcoin, we take a look at Ethereum to understand where Dogecoin, where Shiba Inu is headed. And a lot of the altcoins are performing very, very well because Bitcoin and Ethereum are actually recovering. So what we are seeing, ladies and gentlemen, in addition to the higher highs and higher lows that we are seeing and that were confirmed today, is we are seeing a very bullish pattern playing out. Now, the pattern that we are seeing playing out right now is called none other than an ascending triangle pattern. And this ascending triangle pattern is now approaching the apex. So whenever we approach the apex, which is also a level of resistance and a whole bunch of other things, whenever we start to approach this apex here, it generally signals for us a very big move is underway. And what actually happened today and what is actually happening right now is I am taking a look at the 1 hour time frame, is that we did get a pretty big move above this resistance level and we started to break out. Now, what is happening right now is actually we tested the resistance level, we came back out of it. It's very likely that we will continue to break out of this pattern. Once we start to break out of this pattern with some strength and momentum, it would be very, very likely that some of these altcoins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Avalanche, and etc., the things that we buy in the Patreon, will be making a huge move here soon. So I am super excited, but do not put it behind you that yes, we could see some more FUD, something can crash us down, something can push us down further. But as charts are printing and showing us right now, it's very likely that we are going to see a breakout very, very soon. So get ready because this ride is going to be crazy. And if you have not already, definitely check out this cryptocurrency. It is a BSC token. If you want to learn how to buy it, you can go to their website. It's called babylamboinu.io. This coined 78x in less than 24 hours. A very awesome coin to check out. They are about to do a huge, massive marketing campaign, and this thing is about to make some crazy moves. Just like I made a video last week about Shiba Doge. That thing is up 100% today. I don't come out here to make videos and talk about coins that aren't going to be doing some things, coins that I'm not very confident in. And this thing actually has a real use case where they're giving to women's and children's abuse centers. So some of the proceeds that are coming from this coin are actually giving back versus making NFTs or metaverses. It's actually giving back. Definitely check out their Telegram if you want more information where the devs and the team members are going to be there helping you. Definitely check it out. The links for their Telegram will be in my video description and their website as well. Now, if you've got something out of this video so far, go ahead and smash up that like button. Share this video with a friend or family member, and I will see you all later.